Today is the day that we are going to work on the Cadillac with our lovely practitioner here, and she is going to show us the juiciness of the springs. Yes, I own Core Love Culture in Philadelphia, and there's a little tips in here that I like to share to make sure that the hips stay as long as possible, the torso gets the length that it needs to so the diaphragm can move, and all the stress in between the front and the back, hip flexors, sacrum can release itself, yeah? Long bodies, we need a towel that's just rolled up like a little sausage, a box. The box could be any height, no more than your short box, yes? The goal is so that you bring the mat up to you and you can press your leg into the mat once we start using the leg springs. We'll use a little bit of everything on this Cadillac, from the arm springs to the push-up bar to the trapeze, which I'll show you how to unravel and ravel back up, to moving the leg springs and also using the leg springs and the rollback bar. So we're dancing around this guy for a little bit.